I won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheet, my funded futures, like the lectures, like the lectures, like the lectures, like the lectures, like the
Hey, 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 everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome. Wow. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, everybody. I'm Stephen Kalayjian, and welcome to my Funded Futures Asia session. All right. Unbelievable. You ever think this bull market is ever going to end here? They just keep buying, 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 and more buying. Unbelievable. 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 What are they doing here? I don't know. I don't get it. I do not get it. But guess what? You just trade what you see, and that's the most important part of the day. And that's all you really need to do is just think about that. Just trade what you see, and that's all that's all you need to focus on. Trade what you see, and that's that. Hope everybody had a great day here. Okay, hope everybody had a great day. Markets should open here at 8 o'clock here, and let's just see what's going to happen here. All right, really, overall, the market feels like it wants to, get a kaboom up here. But I'm hoping for some type of a pullback. This gold just got kabooshed here. Let's just see what's going to happen here overall. Let me just look for this paper here. Mercedes. Oh, no, yeah. All right. So, hope everybody had a great day today. Unbelievable bull market. Unbelievable here. Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Did anybody trade oil today? Did you see this big sell divergence on this oil? What a big sell divergence on crude on the 30-minute time frame. I don't know if you guys saw this big sell divergence on crude on the 30-minute time frame here. You can see here, this is even with crude up. Look at this. Crude pushed up here on the 30-minute time frame right here above the 106 time period. And, of course, what are they going to do here? NASDAQ and S&Ps here. All right, let's just see what they're going to do here. All right. If you see here, you can see the push up into the negative MACDs, and also if you look here on the S&P futures during the Globex opening here, you can see the nice push down we got here down to 46, and then they rip right back up here. I hope that we get some type of a pullback soon. This really is just unheard of here, though. If you think of it, though, we got the move here. This looks like another type of here's the thing, though. We got this big move, and these ADXs aren't even moving on any of the big time frames. The daily, the weekly, no ADX. Look at this. I think they're going to get killed. But when is the question? That's the $64,000 question. When are they going to get killed? We had GDP today. The PCE, they don't care. PCE was stronger than expected by a tenth. They don't care, right? Bear trader, what's going on? So, with that all being said, we're going to the charts. You guys can see the charts? Can you see the charts, guys? Can anybody see the charts? Bear trader, anybody? Anybody can see the charts? Can't see the screens. Nope. Denny, can you put the screen on? The charts, please. All right. I don't know if Denny can hear me. You see the charts? You see me? Can you see it? Nope. I gotta call Denny.
Charts just came up on my funded.
They just came up?
Yeah, we see it.
Okay.
I see it.
Okay, now, okay. All right. All right, that just took my eyes off buying the gold down there. Gold just ran to 35.5 here. All right. So again, the big key note here is, where are they going here? Schultz, okay, where are they going here? If you think about this, look at the weekly here. I mean, where are they going? I mean, this is parabolic here. This is completely parabolic here. Wanted to buy that pullback on the 5 just when that happened, just way too fast there. 725. Well, I hope not. 725. Let's see. 725 minus 718 divided by 2 would be 35. 725 minus 3.5 would be 721. Oh, we'll see. We'll see. I don't know if they're going straight there and a head up and a headline there. All right. So let's see here. We're going to put the NASDAQ back up here. This NASDAQ's just unbelievable here. This NASDAQ's just unbelievable here. Right here. 25,588. Tried to buy this. This happened right on the bell here. 702. What? QQQ. 702 top. It's above that. Oh no, what am I doing? Who moved my charts around? Oh, I got a 702. Where's a, let's see where they trading. That's why. 702. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah, and I agree here. I agree. All right, so the Qs right now are up small here. I got to get these S&Ps. We got to get some type of a pullback here on the S&Ps here. Okay. All right. Let's see what's going to happen here tonight. Very, very quiet here. Let's see if this NASDAQ can do something here. Let's just, we'll hope so. We'll hope so. Hey, Mr. Freeze, how are you? Hey, what's going on, everybody? Let's see if we get some type of a pullback here. All right. Apple was trading 268, and look at this Apple. And then Apple's doing buybacks. That's what's keeping the stock afloat here. You're long from 72.48. Good job on the S&Ps. Good job. I'd be really careful here, though. I just think the market is just way overextended here on the weekly charts. I mean, I'm showing you this weekly chart here. I mean, this is just completely, in my 44 years, I've never seen this. And I think that this is something that we're going to, someone disabled the sell button. I agree, right? I agree. But we'll see what happens here. We did get some pullbacks here. It would be nice to see a 300-point drop here. It'll bring the S&Ps down to 69.50, and I think you take that and measured move will take it up to 75.50. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. You trade what you see. That was a nice pullback just now on gold as the market just dropped. That was just happened way too fast here on the 5-minute time frame. You can see the gold here, 35. Wow, it just ran 6. You're in a positive trend here on the 15 and on the 60-minute time frame on gold, and we'll just see what happens here. The spiders today, they opened what price on the spiders? Let's see the 15-minute time frame. We opened here. We filled the gap on the push down. Now again, I'm going to show you this pattern off the 30-minute time frame. So when we made new lows here today, I was on my funded futures television. I said I would look to buy the NASDAQ 26,970. The low was 71.25. Okay, 71.25. Now, the pullback here, if you look here, okay, when you got the push down here, the MACDs did not confirm the low. Then when the 30-minute reversed to buy right here at 11 o'clock, we really didn't even get a decent pullback. Now, hopefully we'll get some type of a pullback tomorrow here, where then what you want to do is you want to get some type of a pullback on the 15-minute time frame and or the 30-minute time frame. Get the pullback on the 30, hopefully, and get some type of a bull flag here, and then boink right back up. But we'll see. We'll see what happens overall. With that, the overall market here today, we saw the likes of SanDisk after the hours. Micron and SanDisk got kabooshed. Now, SanDisk hit 1,000 and rallied 33. Don't ask me. The earnings were terrible. Don't ask me. What the hell do I know, right? And but we'll see. We'll see what happens here. All right. We shall see. Now, again, we have significant overbought readings here on the 30 and 60-minute time frames. And, I think that what we really need to do and to focus on is have the understanding that we're in this really unprecedented move here. Like in my 44 years come this August 1st, hi, Ethan, I don't remember any type of a move like this, to be bluntly honest with you. I don't remember anything like this. I've seen declines like this, but, not a roar. Now, I've always said any type of aberration in the market, you got to think like them, right? And because they'll do anything they can to make the market go up. I mean, how many times they did quantitative easing, they cut interest rates, et cetera, right? And all they do is just try to make the market go up. Democrats, Republicans, it doesn't make a difference, okay? Mostly Republicans really want the markets to go up, but, there's too much, this game is, how do they say it? Too big to fail, right? It's just too big to fail. Now, Paul Tudor Jones, a respected big hedge fund manager, came out today, and he was really very vocal on where he thinks the markets are going, and he thinks that based upon certain criterias that the S&Ps could get some type of a sharp pullback in the next couple years. I mean, I love Paul. I respect him. I don't know him, but I just think that to make a comment like that, it's like me saying, "Oh, they're going to drop. They're going to crash one day." Well, eventually I'll be right? Eventually I'll be right. But where is it going to come from? So let's just see what that's going to be entail here. So again, it's all about just trying to really understand how the markets work, and the structure. Because I told you, like, this is like the third or fourth time I told you the Taft-Hartley Act. Okay. What sounds like a Kramer? Please don't put me in the same tier with him. Please, Diego. Are you crazy? Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. No way. Don't do that. No. No, don't. That's a killer. I met Jim a couple times, and no, that's not who I am. All right. Oh, very, very quiet here tonight. Gonna see if this NASDAQ futures up another 13 here. Oh, referring to Paul Tudor Jones. Oh, got it. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Well, I have to say that I hope we're down something like 30, 40 handles tomorrow. Now it is the end of the month. Okay, wow. Amazon AMD dropped 3 after hours here. Okay, let's just see. Apple 276. How about WDC? Kabooshed, right? WDC, Western Digital, down 13 after hours. You got SanDisk yesterday. Everybody in their mother thought SanDisk was going to beat. I mean, SanDisk at one point today in the the post market was trading like 1100. What was it trading here at the 1150? This guy jumped. Whoever bought here, okay, all right. Paul would stand behind you in the coffee trades. Wow, unbelievable. All right. So you get some type of a cabooshin here. Need a cabooshin. Definitely need a cabooshin here. All right, gold. I would probably take a scalp long here on the gold here. 25 and a half to 33 and a half range if it drops here. Nasdaq, S&Ps here. Be nice. And the market went up today with Meta, Microsoft, and Nvidia being down 4%. If that couldn't kill them, what's going to kill them? Baby Goat, can you text me that picture, Baby Goat? All right. Gold just got cabooshed. I'm almost set to take the short at 42, but we'll see. S&P's dropping here. All right. I don't know. I just can't say the word. Hello, Ethan. How are you? Melvin, market's a beast. Well, for now, crude upside. Let's see what crude's doing here. Let's see what the crude is doing here tonight. Crude's bullish here, though. 30-minute, 60-minute. God, you got to buy disconnect here on the crude. Man, Nasdaq just drops and rallies right back. Unbelievable. It just drops and rallies. Look at that. Boom. 91 rallies 15 like water. Oh my God. You saw AMD on 2 days ago, or trade down to 310, and then today it's up to 351. Look at this, unbelievable. They drop. Look at this. I couldn't even say the word buy yet. 91. Look at this. They just ran 30 handles if it hits 21. What are they, crazy? Look at this. Unbelievable. Hey, Moises, how are you? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, there goes the gold. If you're long, I'd be scaling out of longs above 38. There you go. Finally, a good trade. Finally, something happened. What got cabooshed? Nothing got cabooshed. Caboosh is on the shelf for a while here. Wow, S&Ps, you couldn't even speak that fast. And look at this, NASDAQ ran 30. Anybody get the gold long here? What's the score of the Nick game? No, come on. Who are they playing? What's the score of the Nick game?
Give me a second.
There's no way.
Are they playing tonight? I didn't even think this playing tonight.
What?
Is that right?
78 to 29 in the second quarter.
Who are they playing?
The Hawks.
Oh my god.
Game 6.
Really?
In round 1. Yeah.
Round 1?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. This is live.
They're up by 50? What are they playing against? One guy?
Mitchell Robinson and Dyson Daniels have been ejected from the game already.
From who? The Hawks?
I think they're in the Hawks. Yeah.
Wow.
I don't know that Atlanta very well. That's.
Is this game 4?
This is game 6. Knicks are
I don't trade options, but we have people here, bag holder, who trade options based upon the patterns and the setups.
Nick's up big.
That can't be. Really?
Yeah, it's real.
Wow.
Yeah, association.
Oh, come on, NASDAQ. Give me a break. No. I couldn't even say the board. If this NASDAQ gets, you could take a scalp short here on the NASDAQ. If it gets up to the 30, 35 to like 65, I'd scalp the short. This is enough now. Pac Christopher says the only thing that's getting cabooshed is the Hawks. He's right. Jesus. Christopher, that's a good one. Good job, Christopher. Made me laugh. Really made me laugh there. NASDAQ kaboom. I know. I was looking for a pullback here. And the S&Ps, where they just get down to here. Oh my God. Aaron, can you help me? I missed I screwed up the, let me see if I can figure this out. I think I got it. I messed up the StreamYard, Aaron. Maybe I got it here now. Let me just, I got it. Never mind. I did your job. All right. I don't know what I'm doing. I just flicked the button and the hell with it. I just don't know what's going on. Oh my God, this ran 7 handles like nothing. Buy. They're buying, then sell. What did it score? 100? All right, over under 130. Will the Knicks score 130? Over under. Over under. You know, I invented that game, believe it or not. Over under 130.
What are the rules of over under?
You just got to make a bet. Is it over or under? You got to write the support at sktrading.live. I say under. They're not going to, no.
Wow.
I say under 130.
A lot of people say over. I'm going to go over.
You're going to go over?
I'm going to go over.
No, is this the last game?
Yeah.
No. They're going to rest their guys.
It's an elimination game.
Yeah, they're going to rest their guys. Diego, ask Billy at support at skTrading.live. Look at this fucking S&Ps. If the S&Ps get up to 60, I look to take a short 60, 67, 60 to 67. Okay, support at skTrading.live. Wow, JD, this is unbelievable. Hey, good evening, Raphael Trades. How are you? I say under. Yeah, there's no patterns here. It's a scalp session. I don't know if the NASDAQ got up there or not, but S&P's just ran 8 handles like nothing here. I mean, come on, man. This is just too far from the 10 bar. 185 points. Give me a break. Oh, my God. And these gaps, when are these gaps going to get filled? This gap's got to get filled here. Look, give me one gap. At least this gap got filled here. Did this gap get filled? Let me see. 702, 78. Nope, that gap didn't even get filled. No way. I just want, all I'm looking for is a pullback here on the daily. I'm just looking for some type of oversold condition here like this on the daily. And this looks like a little mini bull flag here. $708, boom. All right, I don't know if the NASDAQ got up to 35. I think the high was 33, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know what the NASDAQ would it just get up to. Oh, missed it by 1. I canceled the short there. All kinds of gaps. Yep. I mean, look at the gaps on the 60-minute time frame. If you just want to see the cues, I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. Yeah, look at it. This gap got filled, right? Okay, so the upside gap got filled. This gap didn't get filled, 651. Okay, this gap didn't get filled on. These are 60-minute gaps here. Okay, oh, that was a triple Kabuski at 40. All right, and then here's another gap that didn't get filled at 40, 640. Okay, and here's another gap that didn't get filled here. Okay. Gold dropping. Let's see what oil's doing here. They killed the silver. Oh, what a short up there. Jesus. Against the negative MACDs. I should have left the oil up. All right. And oil 106. Huh? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oil 106. I didn't short the gold at 41. No. SMH's kaboom. Where are these things going? They dropped off the highs though. That's pretty this is really frothy here. I'd like to see a drop on these SMHs here. That'd be really nice to get a nice drop. I mean, they're not breaking this right here, 400. I'd like to see 100 point, at least a 80, 90 point drop on this. This would be really good. Beautiful bull flag here. How about the SOXSs? These things, they're getting killed. Oh, these things were just trading $41. Look at this, 49, 13. Oof. Hey, JP Market Profile, how are you? Who's been buying? Let's see. I don't know. The same people who were selling at 63.50, I guess. $39 trillion in debt. Market don't care. Doesn't care about energy prices, doesn't care. Because the game's too big to fail. I'm telling you. The game is way too big to fail. Period. Let's see what this thing did today. Very, very quiet here. What'd this thing do on the daily? Oh my God, this thing even trade? No volume. Dead higher than total GDP sends us to 2,000. You're probably right, Ryan. You're probably right. How about TWLO after hours? Oh, just Twillo. I think this is up pretty big after hours here. Yep, $34. Oh my God. Caterpillar really led the Dow up today. Don't ask me the hell they see in this Caterpillar here. Oh my God. They 83.36. They're coming back. They're making a run for it. What's 702 on the spiders? Oh yeah. The hell is that? I think it probably is Game 6, right? I think you're right. Game 6?
Yeah, game 6, Knicks up 3-2.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying. Where's M-Dot been? Anybody see M-Dot? No. If these S&Ps get up to the 60 handles, see if Picasso short or yeah. Well, I'm a buyer of the gold here. The 15s. If this gold can get down to the 33.5 range again, I think it's a buy. You think that it's going to go over 130? Oh my God, that'll be a killer. Where's this Russell going? Citibank kabooshed. Oh my God, look at this is what I'm looking for. You see this? This type of pullback is exactly what I'm looking for. Like this. Here. You see this? This is what I'm looking for. We haven't gotten any of that. And of course, look what they did. They ran 9 hand. Well, actually, they'll run 9 handles. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. At least the Russell did something like that. Oh my God. Sooner or later, I think the coach has got to tell you to. I don't think the coach is going to allow that. Don't you think? I don't think the coach is going to allow that. Man, is it dead? And look at the volume, though. 8-0, Nick. You're crazy. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, brother. Brother, brother, brother. Brother, brother, brother.
Could call him gold long.
Yeah, gold if you got the long. Yeah.
Yeah, card it for
Just
3.
sell some long. If you're long gold here, I'd scalp at 36 or 38. There goes the gold. If this NASDAQ gets up to the 35, 35 and a half, up to like 60, I would look to short it, scalp it. This gold seems like just... Oh, yeah. I got to change something here. Let me see something. If you could just... it's really quiet here. Where'd he go?
To the restroom.
Nope. Okay.
Did that one.
I got this add a cue. Okay, that should do it.
Yep, looks good.
Let's see. Here we go. Short the Nasdaq S&P 7260 up to 67. Let's see if the Nasdaq can go 635. Fucker. Nine 500-7484. Let's see if this gold can. Here we go. I would look to buy some gold here between the 2580 and the 3280 range. If you're short the S&Ps, look to cover below 58. NASDAQ, look to cover shorts below 29, 28 here. Let's see if this gold can get another push up. They killed the silver. They absolutely killed silver. Is that a shame? They killed silver. Short the S&Ps.
Yeah, filled and then covered silver flat.
You're silver too?
I'm in gold.
Oh. There goes the gold. If you're short long, I was 32.50 up to 35. I scale out of any longs here. Wow, this is really one of the quietest ones. Thank you, David. Thank you for doing that. I don't look at the Russell. I don't look at the Russell. Wow. And if anybody new here would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me 914-500-7484. Unbelievable. Very, very quiet here. This is probably one of the slowest Asia sessions. All right, we're going to be talking about hopefully sometime in July about potentially having a great event in Vegas. There goes the gold right back up. There goes the gold right back up. Can they just drop 30 handles? Something. Anyone know a good Vegas joke? Dan M, 914-500-7484. If you like a 5-day free trial, or if you just want to talk to me about the markets in any way, my God, there's nothing going on. Yeah, we're trying to get a little boondoggle going here in Vegas. Actually, not boondoggle. It's going to really be a really great event. A lot of to meet a lot of you, to be teaching you my methodology, to be getting up on stage and talking and having other speakers here. Should be really, really quite fun. Really, I'm really looking forward to it. Hopefully, we get this. Look at this gold. You get the gold long again? Why? Got down to 31 and a half. Look at the 15-minute time frame. Probably sometime the end of July. Sometime the end of July. Where so in Vegas, I'm at. Think we're. Hopefully, we'll have it in Vegas. You gotta be kidding me. I take another short here on the S&P 60 and a half to the 67 and a half, NASDAQ 40 and a half up to 70 and a half range. You got to short the world here. This is insane. Nvidia, Meta, and Microsoft, the 3Ms down. Nvidia's down 4%, and the market doesn't get killed. Got to throw the towel in at that point. Really, this is probably the slowest one we can write. This is probably the slowest. I hope not. Wow, there goes the gold, Josh. All right. Wow, look at the gold drop. NASDAQ looked to cover on the 35. S&Ps looked to cover on the 9.5 to 7.5 range. Brian, you got that gold long off the 15, Brian? Too slow. There goes the gold. Hey, Vlad. What's the matter? You okay? Are you okay? He loves you. They just won't go down. They go down 2, up 8. Down 4, up 12. Down 6, up 20. It's unbelievable. Freaking overs killed it today. And I think a handful of everybody bet under. Oh my God. All right, here we go. Please drop 30. Well, here we go. They just dropped 2 handles. NASDAQ just dropped about 6. Who? Oh my God. I'm going to lose the under. The over under. I bet under 130. No, tell them to stop. There's still 23 minutes in the game. Watch them get like 144, 145. Hey, Flash Gordon. You should have the NASDAQ at the main. I'm watching oil here. Okay, I'll put the NASDAQ up. No problem. I just don't have room for the... Okay. I have the NASDAQ up every so often. This was the short right here. Just dropped 10. Okay. Pepsito. Okay, you got it. Hank, how are you, Hank? Tori. Nice to meet you, Tori. Dan M, I just got your text. All right. They're making new highs. The MACDs didn't confirm. See it right here?
Yes.
Okay, see it right here? Making new highs. NASDAQ just dropped about 14, 15, about 13, 14. Hey, Corzel, how are you? Crude over 106 before 10. I'm exhausted, Nick. Wow, look at the NASDAQ. Come on, 16 down. Now S&Ps. I know you did say over, Michael. I think the NASDAQ's up, what, more than 15% in 1 month, no? I know, the April NASDAQ bar is through the roof. Wow, look at the NASDAQ drop. S&Ps, if you're short, lower your stops. NASDAQ, if you're short, lower your stops. NASDAQ. What happened? I hope you're short.
I missed the sign up for the thing.
Oh, you missed the sign up. Lee, good job, Lee. What's the matter? Give me that thing. Give me that. No, that's too small for you. No. No, that's too small. I don't want nothing to happen to you. Daddy loves you. Oh. That gold, 3 times gold. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 longs off gold off that 15-minute. The entry form's not working? I don't know. You got to ask Denny. Denny, they're saying the entry form's not working. Maybe it's because it was after the fact. Wow, gold just ripped. It closed, that's why. 10 minutes after I posted. Okay, got it. Hey, Jay. What's going on, Jay? Andy Willis, how are you? Mr. Smith, IC Trades. Yeah, Schultze said it worked, so that's all that matters.
Did you sign up? Oh, there it is.
Oh, wow, that's a nice little bear flag on gold.
Yeah, I missed it by like 2 ticks.
Oh, wow. Look at it drop. Man, at least gold drops. S&Ps don't drop. What scored in Nick game? I'm having a heart attack. I can't take it. Dollar yen? Let's look at what the dollar yen doing here. You got the gold short, Jennifer? Okay. Dollar yen. This looks like a probably very bullish. Oh, wow. That's a bull flag on dollar yen here, up 45 pips. Oh, wow. This dollar yen is going to go 30 reverse to buy, first pullback on the 5. Oh, this dollar yen can get. Wow, this dollar yen just ripped 9 pips off that. Jesus. And the 60 is going to reverse to buy. Wow. Yeah, a little long and short. Yes, sir. Oh, my God. Look at this gold. Bitcoin finished. Oh, you got the over? I'm going to lose by 20. If 25 points in 15 minutes? Oh, my God. I can't take it. I think I'm going to lose the over-under.
They're killing them.
Good night, Tina. Oh, man. And how good is my funded futures? New 4 hours, Steve? What do you mean? I don't know what that means. Oh, man. YM, please? I don't look at the YM futures. I want to see this dollar. Oh, my God. Look at the gold. What a bull flag on the dollar yen here. You should get one more push up here on the gold. If this gold gets down to the 23 and a half, 24 and a half to 30 and a half. Nasty price action, NASDAQ. Well, we called the short there. Probably going to get another push up here. I want to see these 15s roll over here.
$30.5 to 1 on gold, Steven. Sorry.
Joe, you're right behind me.
I know.
Come on.
I got 10 minus.
All right, no, come on. 23 and a half to 30 and a half.
23.5. Sorry.
Come on. Now this dollar yen looks strong here, so we'll see. Dollar yen's one of my favorite. It was the pound dollar and the dollar yen. Josh, tell him. on, they drop. Come on, Jesus Christ. Are they ever going to go down? Every oversold condition on the 5, just got to buy them, I guess. It's crazy. All right, if you're long this gold, you could probably scale out any longs here between the 31 and 33. Brian says they'll go down once he buys them. Blue Boyd, how are you, Blue Boyd? Blue Boyd, how are you? Well, it's been a long week. Thank God. You're long from 616 on the NASDAQ. All right, just trade it. Just trade it up to 28. Dollar yen, what a long. Oh my God. Dollar yen just ran 19 pips just now off that oversold. All 3 time frames are bullish. It's okay, Lee. At least you're up. I think gold, there's a possibility of gold testing the 4150, 4200. Yep. Absolutely. All right, let's see if this dollar yen pushing up here. Wow. Gold down really small here. Let's see how many days the S&Ps are up here. The S&Ps are up how many days, really? 20% up on the NASDAQ. That's crazy. Even at a 2%. I'm so bearish on gold. Me too. Come on. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. 55 to 58. They dropped 3, they run 20. 55, look at this. Come on. They dropped 6. Oh my God. And the 15s are starting to roll over. What happened?
I made $130 on gold.
Oh, good. On that long?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's cool.
Dude, don't sound like you just ran 4 miles. No, seriously. Like, you know, it's trading, right?
It's an art, not a science.
Blue Boy, how you doing, Blue Boy? No one wants to answer this new. What's the question? I didn't see it, Tony. I'm sorry.
It doesn't mess up.
97% of futures traders lose money. I probably think you're right, but they don't know what they're doing. That's why I teach people all around the world, right? Well, that's what you're supposed to do, and that's scalping or there's pattern trading. You know, oh my God, they need 13 points. I should have went 140. I knew I should have said 140. I went 130 to be kind, but yeah, 97% of day traders fail. That's because they don't know what they're doing. They're trading options. They're just jumping in. They're buying prop accounts without ever knowing what they're doing because they think a prop account's cheap. Oh, I'll just pay $54, $64, $84, and I'll just try it. They don't know what they don't know. Teach them for free? No, I don't teach them for free. I give a 5-day free trial, okay, and then my room is $4.50 a day. I mean, if you can't make $4.50 a day, there's a problem. Down, look at this, 60 again on the S&Ps. Every 5-minute pullback, they just buy them. Every 5-minute oversold condition. You could probably take a scalp long on gold, like 21.5, 22.5 to 20, probably 20.5 to 27.5. Look at the 60 on the S&Ps. Let's put the S&Ps, let's put the NASDAQ back up here. Just ran 20 like nothing, the NASDAQ. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
CFTC reports that institutions are net short. I don't know about that. I don't charge $160 a month. And it's not speculating. Tony Mohan, if you got a problem, then you should just leave. Okay? Brian says it's like $3.35 a day. Probably. It's more. All I know is one time I was in Starbucks, I got a hot chocolate and it was $4.90. I said, the hot chocolate's more than what I charge in a day. There goes the gold pushing up. So I don't know where you get 120 or 160 from. But if you have a problem, then then you don't have to be here. And this is free. Free. So that's that. All right, 5-minute time frame, just reverse the buy. MACD is above the pivot, so you want to take the short. Again, NASDAQ, you could probably take the short here, 41 up to 71, S&P 61 up to 67. Gold just rallied about 3. Okay. NASDAQ just ran every 5-minute pullback. All they do is buy them. What's the score, Andrew? I can't take the pressure. I don't ask 120. Who's putting where it's $99 a month. It's And it's 79 if you don't want the chart overlay. Well, if you text me your full name and email, I'll send you the link. If you have to text me your full name and email, because it has to send you a link. Do I know Peter? I don't know Peter. No. Who's Peter? Let's see here. All right, NASDAQ. Look to cover anywhere between the 32 and 40 range. Oh my God. Please under 130. I should have went 140. 140 was on the tip of my tongue. But hell with it. SanDisk. I'm not doing that now, Tony. This is a live stream, okay, for the Asia markets. If you want to learn, I'll give you a 5-day free trial. If you like what you like, and like what you see and hear, Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 4, and you like it, then decide if you want to be part of it. If not, I wish you all the best. Kyle D, text me. I'll give you the 5-day free trial if you want. Full name and email. No, I was on 44 years. I was on the New York Stock Exchange, the COMEX. The American Stock Exchange, a member of the New York Stock Exchange, went to the COMEX, went to the Board of Trade, and then from the Board of Trade, I went upstairs to trade. Okay? I'm not saying you're being mean. If you want to get a 5-day free trial, just text me a phone name and email. NASDAQ dropping, S&P's look to cover 58 to 59.5. Okay, it's going to make a higher low now. You see this here? Right here, the 5-minute time frame.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so you guys start covering shorts, 59.5.
Okay. 59.5.
I'm 63.5 years old. I've traded nearly 2 billion shares in my life. I work with the best traders in the world. I know them. They're personal friends of mine. I got offered jobs with these people, hands down, number of times, okay? Oh, there's a fight. And, call the game. I won.
What?
They called the game.
What?
I don't know. No, I'm only kidding. It doesn't matter. I was deemed to be the #1 day trader, okay, in the world at a 97.4% hit ratio. This was told to me by my clearing firm. So I've done it, and
I don't know. I'm not excited.
what's the score, Andrew? I can't take it. Thank you, David. It doesn't matter, Umed.
123.69. Holy shit.
Just text me, King 914. Just text me my cell, 914-500-7484. No, you're not undefeated. You're 0-8. Where's Ian been? Ian, Uncle Steve says hello. Oh my God, come on, call the game. It's Ian's birthday today. Ian, happy birthday. Uncle Steve says happy birthday, Ian. Get in there. Ian, you got to call Uncle Steve after the stream. I'll wish you a happy birthday, Ian. I should have went 140. You know that was on the tip of my tongue. I swear. You see how you got to cover the short?
Yeah, I'm covered.
I hope you covered already.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. I'm flat.
See, it's going to make a higher low. Now, if the 5 gets oversold, you want to try to buy them. Everybody, Rav boys, let's wish Ian a happy birthday, Ian. Look at these S&Ps. See? You had the cover. NASDAQ, you could take a scalp short 45 to 75. Oh, my God. Stop the game. 61.5 to 67.5 on the S&Ps. Oh, yeah, forget it. Broke's an understatement. I guess I lost. Congratulations to the over 130s. I should have went 140. I would have made it. That's right. Uncle Steve said happy birthday, Ian. Nick, have him call me after the stream. Iceman, Iceman? NASDAQ call, you can go like 48 up to 78, James. Go wide. 47 to 77. Oh my God. Well, I lost anyway. It's 133. Congratulations to the over. The real number was 140 though. Hey, Kim Capital, how are you? Oh my God. You think 140 would have been over as well? Really? every 5-minute pullback. Unbelievable. Just ran 15, look at that, 30 points on the NASDAQ. 55 to 62 on the S&Ps. I think Tony might have to go here. Tony Monahan. He's just causing... Tony, either you're going to be here to learn, be respectful to others, or just go to somebody else's Discord. I don't really care. There's always one. You know what? I really... Just... If you're not here, okay, just leave. Okay? All right. I think Tony might have to go. Where's Aaron? So, okay, now that the 5-minute time frame reversed to buy on the S&P futures, what you like, Jesus. When the hell, where, look at this. Look at this. This is unbelievable. So if you look here on the 5-minute time frame on the S&P futures right here, you can see here that you could look to buy S&Ps between the 59.5 and 61 range. NASDAQ, James, anywhere between the 34 and 43 range right here. So the 5-minute time frame reverses to buy with correlating with the 15, 30, and 60. And what you do is when the algo reverses to buy with the MACD above the pivot, you take the shorts. And then what you do is you look for a pullback. But this pullback is what you're looking for, a deep oversold condition here. Now, this is what I'm looking for the daily. Do I watch hockey? Yeah, only in playoff time. Okay. Okay, so this is what you like to do right here. You like to buy the oversold condition. And this is all I'm really looking for here on the daily, right here, right? I'm just looking for, okay, I'm just looking for a push-up. But this is probably, see the histogram here? Here's another thing. So you got two big concerns here, Iceman, okay? One, the ADXs are not rising in this whole move. On the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. Not happening, right? Not happening. Two, you can see by making the new highs here, the histogram is non-confirming. Now, the MACDs are making new highs, but the histogram is not making new highs. This is getting exhausted. Andrew, you see this? I don't understand overbought conditions either. Okay? You see this here? So when you see this when you start seeing, see how here it was moving higher and the price went higher with it? Okay? Okay? And then if you see here, I think this is a sign of trouble off the daily. Let's look at the weekly really quick on the histogram. histogram. Oh my God. You see how the histogram was making new lows here? Now you're making new highs, and the histogram is, the MACDs are not even confirming. Gold bouncing. Yeah, gold is bounce. I know. Slightly green. Hi, Miley Tylee. How are you? What's the score of the Nick game? I know I lost, but. What's the score of the game?
133.
I told you the 140 would have been good.
They still have 5 minutes.
No, they're not going to score anymore. They're going to have a brawl.
They let them come back a little bit, which makes it look less bad.
Nah. Look at the gold right back up. Caterpillar? Okay, NASDAQ on the push up here. I don't even know what's going to make them break. Even SanDisk's not making them break. Can you believe it? SanDisk not making them break. Micron not making it break. Gold, look at the gold. Every time the gold went down, 27.5. Let's see the dollar yen here. Now, what you want to do if you trade the dollar yen, you want to wait for a nice this. Oh wow, this is beautiful. This dollar yen can just trade down to 07. Anywhere between like the 97 and 07 range on dollar yen. If you can get that, these 15s, and then the 30 reverse to buy. Oof! Look at the gold up 5. I used to trade Forex. I think we've seen, oh my God, I hope so. This is just unbelievable. What was the low? 23,000 on the NASDAQ when we got that big push down. What was this right here? 23,000. 20 up. 23,000. 4,600 points. Buy the world. Yep. Gold kaboom. Oil kabooshed. Oh wow, no, really? Oh, I wanted to short that oil. That oil would have been a nice short. Took it down because somebody wanted the NASDAQ up. I'm just leaving the oil up from now on. Oh my God, oil. It's dropped 80 cents. Look at that, 79 was the low right here. Yeah, I mean, you know, You look for, in this type of environment, you look for some pullbacks on the 60s and the 30s. The market rallied today, up 70 handles. Nvidia down 4%. You had Meta down 8%. Microsoft down close to 4%. Go figure. S&Ps, you can probably take a small scalp short, 64 to 70. Okay. Gold turning back up here on the 15, 30, and maybe the 60s soon. NASDAQ, if it gets up to the 55 here, 56, 55, 56, up to 86. Just, anyway, you just can't even get a damn pullback on the 15. This is what I'm hoping for tomorrow. You want to, since we got the pullback, since we got the big buy reversal here on the 60-minute time frame, you want to get some type of a pullback on the 15. You're not going to get it. We're going to gap up here. Though, like right now, if we stay like this, we're looking at 121, 721. See, the thing is, if you look at the 10 bar, you can see how the price is hovered always by the 10 bar, right? Price always hovers near the 10 bar. But if you look at the weekly, this is absurd. Your 36, the standard deviation on this is 5. You're 31 above. That's 300 points. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. Wow, gold. There were like 4 longs in gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. You can't with the buy disconnect and the oversold conditions on the 15s, you know? What scored a Nick game? Oh my God, what a grind. God bless you.
Thank you.
Henny's sound asleep. Out like a light. He's a good boy. Hey, Stu, what's going on, brother? I don't think so. I know New York blew him away. What was the score? Was it over 140? What's up, Stuart? How are you? Gold just ran 6 off that low. Look, even silver is not even doing anything. I mean, I might as well just put the oil back up there. Take silver down. I may take silver down during the U.S. session. Doesn't even move. Look at this. 4 contracts. Look at this. Four contracts. Silver used to do 500 contracts. 3. Wow, Andrew. What was Andrew 4 months ago when silver was going hog wild? I don't know about that. I think you got to pull back first. Oh my God, the 140 would have bit it. They're not gonna hit. They're not gonna shoot. There'll be a war if they shoot. All right, Nasdaq, S&P, James Robertson, that's for you. S&P's covered below 62, Nasdaq below 43. There you go. James Robertson, get in there. Gold kaboomed already. No, how many contracts during the night session did Silver used to do on a 5-minute bar? Do you remember back then? It was like something like 190, 300 contracts. No, not the whole day, you nut. No. Anybody short the Nasdaq there? That little scalp? We're going to do the raffle soon here in 8 minutes.
Let's go.
Oh my God, 140.86.
Oh no.
That's the score? Oh my God.
Should have made a bet.
Hey Derek, you still long to go, Brian? Good job. That's about 8 up on the gold. Andre, have a great night, Andre. $140. Now, what would happen if I said 40 over under? The tie, what, it's a push, I guess. I don't know. Lee, you hope. Oh my God, 140. That was my number. I swear, that was my number, 140 at first. But I said, screw it. You know, it kind of messed me up. I didn't know how much time was left in the game.
Yeah.
If I knew how much time was left in the game, I probably would have went to the lean to the 140.
Makes sense.
I don't look at a 1 minute. I mean, what a long today during the U.S. session when the S&Ps and Nasdaq were pushing down to new lows and the MACDs didn't confirm the low on the 30-minute ETFs. You guys got to watch the podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. I talk about this divergence using the underlying ETFs during the U.S. session. It's so unbelievable to be able to see that. Okay? Yep. Yes, sir. Rod, you get that? Steel Beats? How we doing, Steel Beats? All right. Silver risk too high. I may take the silver down, actually, and put I may do that. Nobody trades silver anymore. More gold, more oil. I'm going to do that tonight, actually. I want to do that in the morning. I'm just going to put the oil back up. Oh. What do you think, Jennifer, right? We put the oil, I'm going to replace the silver. Nobody trades silver anymore. Yeah. What happened with TradeStation? You go to SK Trading YouTube, okay, sktrading.live, and type in the bull, the bear, and the ugly. And please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Henny's right here. Replace it with lean hogs. I love it. Why do I like NVIDIA long? No, right now I'm in a negative. Everything's negative in NVIDIA right now. Gapped up 50 cents after. All right. You're going to get one more push up on the S&Ps here. Nasdaq should get one more push up on the double blue. It's getting late though. We got 4 minutes to the raffle. Nasdaq rests in peace. I hope so. Let's see. All right, we're going to be doing the raffle in 3 minutes. I'm having a scotch when I get home. No, I'm only kidding. NVIDIA hit what? 213, 214 I thought I saw, right? And then it got cabooshed. You take a loss, you take a loss. Next. It's all right. What, you don't think I've never taken a loss before? Of course. I had, a couple weeks ago, I had a couple errors that I could have just put in the error account. I took the loss and I traded it out. I mean, took the loss to help the firm. I made it right back. You know, what can you do? You know? Well, no, I'm just saying. Sometimes you get errors, miscommunication on things. All right. We got 1 minute. Jennifer, you ready, Jennifer? We're going to do the wheel. I'm going to pick the numbers tonight. Good luck, everybody. Denny, if you could text me how many people we have today, that would really be helpful. Let's go. Look at this Nasdaq. You ain't, please. This is killing me. All right, I got the names here in front of me. All right. You guys ready for the raffle? Good luck, everybody. Let's do number 17. Number 17, one of my favorite numbers. Rashid Smash Profits. Rashid Smash Profits. Is that right? Rashid Smash Profits? Is that, Jennifer? Am I saying it right? I hope he's here.
Yes.
He is?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Let's do number 250. Number 250. 250. I can't even say this word. Olga Friedley and 2129. Oh my God. Olga, Are you here? Olga? Olga, are you here? Lot of new names. Love it. Love it, love it. Olga? No, Olga? No, Olga? Next! Number... It's Russian. I know it's Russian. Sounds it, right? Not okay. Next, we're gonna do number. Denny, what's the how? Number 300. Number 300. Number 300 is Moises Amanciona Santana. Go get him, Moises. Moises Amancion. He's got to be here. He's always here. Moises Amancion, are you here? He's here. That's 2. All right. We're going to do number 200. Number 200. Number 200. Is Michael Omai? Michael Omi? Me? Michael Omai? Am I saying it right? He's always here. Michael Omai? Michael Omai? He should be here. He's always here. Number 1. Oh wait, is Michael here? Hold on, Michael here? Jennifer? I don't think is Michael here? No, that's here. That's number 3. Number 1. Number 1. Zyzo trades.
No. That's number 2, Steven. Number 1 you can't do.
Oh, we can't. Oh, number 2. Number 2.
All right. Zyzo trades.
Zyzo trades. Sorry, I apologize.
They're here.
Zyzo trades. He's here?
Yep.
That's 3?
Mm-hmm.
That's 4.
Yeah,
I think that's 4, Jennifer, right? All right. Let's do number 350. I didn't even know what the total number is tonight. 350?
375.
375? Okay, thank you. 350 is Captain Price 2025. Captain Price. Captain Price. 375, you said the number?
Mm-hmm.
Captain Price. Captain Price.
Yeah, Captain Price is here.
That's 5, I believe, right? Number 175. 175. Bear Trader 64. Oh my God, Bear Trader. Woo! Bear Trader, congratulations. Is he here, Bear Trader?
Yes, Bear Trader's here.
Number 69. Number 69. 69, Bear. Let's see. Congratulations, Bear Trader. 69 is BK Trades. BK Trades. BK Trades. Number bada bing.
BK's here.
BK's here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good job. Number 15. Number 15. Yoham 2. Yoham 2. Yoham 2, are you here? Come in, Manila.
They're here.
That's number 8, I believe, right? Good night, Andrew. Is that 8, Jennifer? Thank you, Jennifer. Is that 8? That's 8. All right, we're going to go number 375. 375. I love doing the last numbers. And that person is Market Maker, X4S. Market Maker. Market Maker, are you here? There goes the gold. Market Maker, are you here?
Market Maker's here.
That's number 9. And the final number for tonight is, what's my number? Number 27. One of my favorite numbers. Number 27. Koa Maya. Koa Maya. Koa Maya, are you here? Koa Maya?
Koa Maya is here.
Oh, congratulations. All right, that was pretty fun. Okay. Well, I want to thank everybody for being here tonight. I want to thank Jennifer. I want to thank Aaron. And I want to thank Denny especially. You're going to get another push up here on the S&Ps on the double blue. Okay. Please have a wonderful day, good evening tonight, and have a wonderful day tomorrow. If anybody has any questions, if you'd like to text me and you want to just get a 5-day free trial, text me your full name and email, and I will send you the link for Monday. If anybody has any questions, you can just text me, and I'm happy to help you. If you're struggling with anything, I'm happy to talk to you after market hours. I have the whole weekend, and it's great. Also, please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly on my SK Trading YouTube. Please hit the subscribe button. And also, I just want to make a very, very important message here tonight. If you want to follow me on social media, @official Stephen Kalayjian on X, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. I want to tell you also on Discord, please do not accept any invitations. I don't work on Discord. I don't send any messages out. I want you all to recognize people are copying me. That's trying to scam people into copy trading and things like that. So please avoid any type of message on Discord and or DMs. You have my personal cell phone number, and that's all that you need to do is just text me, call me, and I'm happy to help you in any way. With that being said, thank you, everyone. God bless you. God bless our troops, and God bless the United States of America. Have a great night, everybody. I'll see you next week.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop lost graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.